Bonjour, this is Julien, the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this cooking technique, a name that comes from French, a technique that consists in cooking at a low temperature in a water bath, in a plastic bag under vacuum, some meats and fish to keep them really tender and very juicy. A fantastic cooking technique. So how do you go about pronouncing this? You have to know that this means from French, sous vide literally means under vacuum, sous being French for under and vide being French for vacuum. You do not want to pronounce the S to sous, it is silent, so do not say sous. And then vide, you do want to pronounce the D here. Too often in English or American I hear sous vide, just like there wasn't a D there. You do want to say sous vide, sous vide. For example, there is this channel that cooks under sous vide everything, fantastic channel. He often says sous vide. You have to say sous vide everything. Sous vide. If you want to learn more about all of the French cooking techniques or French terms for cooking and French produce, just like macarons and camembert, everything that you want to learn from French that regards cooking and French produce, you may want to watch those videos. I'll leave you to it, and I will see you soon in the wonderful world of French pronunciation. Au revoir.